Look at him go. Woo.
Does he always sit right there in the back?
Bye, Knucklehead. Hey everyone, and good morning. It is Saturday morning, about 8:47, and it is cold outside. I mean, it is sub 40 degrees. And my cutoff is about 40 degrees. Any colder than that, I just don't want anything to do with it for the most part. But there is a dealership ride over at White Lightning Harley Davidson. It's probably going to be the last one that I'm going to be able to go to for the year. They only have one more after this. So we're going to go over there. Once I get there, I'll be telling you guys about where we're going, what we're going to be doing, that type of thing. So let's get the bike outside, get her warmed up, and get out of here. All right, we are at White Lightning Harley Davidson. We've got 4 or 5 bikes lined up for the ride, but by far the most interesting thing that has happened so far is right over there. If you see that little puppy, that's Knucklehead Adventures. You guys need to go follow them on Instagram. This pup is the sweetest dog I have ever encountered in my life. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's so sweet. He's so sweet. Anyway, these guys are all over Instagram. Be sure and follow them. They do the coolest things together. I thought I did a lot of fun things with my dog Dixie. Oh, no. These guys have got the market cornered. Adventures all over the place. Anyway, I can't talk about them enough. So be sure and check them out. So I think the ride today, we're going to Suck Creek Road, Suck Creek area. I'll be explaining that further along in the video, and then on to Dunlap. So we'll see. Kicksands up is in about 10-15 minutes, so check back with you guys in a bit. All right, look at him go. You guys see this? Look at him go. Look at Knucklehead chasing him. Look at him go. That is so cool. There he comes. Look at him go. Woo. Oh man. There he goes. Check him out. Oh, that is just awesome. I love it. I love it. All right, it's time to suit up and get this going. Now, I know it's tough to take your eyes off that cute pup, but let's talk about where we're actually going. From White Lightning Harley Davidson to Suck Creek is only about 25 miles. Once you first arrive, you'll notice that the first few miles have heavy industry, and then there's a series of riverside houses along the way. Then there will be a 4-mile stretch up Walden's Ridge along Suck Creek with some beautiful twists and turns. Now, once you get through Suck Creek to Dunlap, Tennessee, it's only about another 25 or 30 miles. And that is where we took our first and only pit stop on this ride. seeing you guys. I'm
It's
seeing
crazy, ain't it?
I'm seeing people point you out. Just
It's wild, man.
yeah, it's so cool. I love it. Man, he just sits back there and chews too, doesn't he?
Yeah, I mean, he even went to sleep like on the twisties because he's used to going faster.
Is that right?
Yeah, he's like, I'm gonna lay down.
Oh, it's so cool. Yeah, man. Hi, Knucklehead. See you, buddy. Yeah, that's right. I'm just a dog guy. I'm a total dog guy. That's the coolest thing I've ever seen. Just love it. Try that. I had intended to stop at the dealership, but the way we came home, or the way we came back, just made sense for me to come home. So thank you guys very much for joining me today. I made some new friends. I had a good time. I'll catch you in the next one.